Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to easily make a bootable USB drive for Windows 11 in 2025. No complicated setups, just a simple tool and your USB stick. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the steps over here and so that you don't miss the USB formatting and the ISO selection tips. So without further delay, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply plug your USB stick with at least 8 GB of the space. As you can see, my USB drive has 28 GB of space, but the minimum should be 8 GB. Then you need to simply just make sure that you back up all of the files because this process will erase everything on it. So you can just copy these files that are inside your USB. You can just simply cut from here and you can paste these in your PC. Afterwards, you need to open your web browser. Over here, you can search for these two tools. The first tool that we have is Rufus. You can also open a new tab and you can check out Balena Etcher. So both of these tools are free and lightweight. So you can come on these websites and you can simply download these tools in your system. So there is no setup needed. You just have to download and most of the things are built in. Now you will need the Windows 11 ISO file which can be downloaded from the official Microsoft website. For that, if you come on microsoft.com and search for the Windows 11 installation assistant, you will be able to find the ISO file here in the bottom, which you can click on the download option and click on the confirm option. Now once you have the Windows ISO file ready in the tool that you have downloaded, it can be Rufus or it can be Balena, you need to simply just click on the select option, or you can also search for the browse. Then you need to choose the ISO file from your computer. Then you need to select your USB drive in the tool and leave the file system and the partition settings at default unless you know what you are doing. Once done, click on the start option or the flash option to begin and the tool will format the USB and turn it into a bootable drive. Once it says complete, you need to safely eject the USB and now you have a bootable Windows 11 installer ready to use on any compatible PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.